how to connect Tile to Life360. Load up the application. Once you are inside the Life360 app, then from the location tab, you want to click on the keys, which is going to be the third option here, the one that I've just selected. Now here, you want to locate items, and you should see add an item, keep track of your keys, wallets, and more. Click on that option, and this is going to show you activate Tile. In order to connect it to Life360, you will need to press the button on your Tile to begin the activation, and you'll hear it ring. Another thing that you need to do is to go into the settings of your iPhone and search for Life360. Click on it and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. If you have Bluetooth enabled, then if you press the button, it's going to detect it and it's going to initiate the Tile registration process, and you just have to go through the prompts and it is going to connect it. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.